Hi everyone. Okay, just yesterday I realized I've never ever done a string pull before. So I just did this little practice piece. I think it's pretty cool. So I wanted to try something similar. But with, I'm gonna do sort of like a brownie pinky color scheme. I've been wanting to try one for ages, and I just saw Cass post one on Facebook with that color scheme, and I'm just so in love with it that I'm gonna try something similar. Right, so let's go. I have these yeah, I said string pull, but it's actually a chain pull. I did the one I just showed you with these metal chains. They're like these chains with kind of like, let me show you, like a ball thing in them. They're nice and heavy, so they drag the paint across. And then I have some plastic that, you know, barely weighs anything, but it's the spheres are bigger and they're more widely spaced apart. So I'm just gonna see if I can do anything with those. Right, so let's go. I have some Bungara brown. Let's put that down. Whoa. Down here first. There we go. And then I have some metallic copper. Pop some of that in there. And metallic gold. I don't think there's any point in trying to get these in any sort of even formation, because yeah, they'll mix nicely anyway. And then some limited edition fawn. I've been a little bit sort of careful using this in the past, because I have had it completely take over the other colors. My fault for using too much of it, but there we go. And then onto the pink section. Oh look, I found one more. Let's pop that one in there. Grab some paper. Oh, it's sunk nicely in there. Okay, I don't need to do anything to it. Then I've got some Lily Pilly pink. Gotta love these names, Cass, they're so cool. Okay. And then lastly, Pleasant Cherry. So I'm going with fairly dark pinks here. So there we go. Right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm lifting this plastic out of the way here in front of me on the surface here. Yeah, and I'm gonna cover the canvas in sterling wax white, and I will be back. Okay, so I am ready to go. While I was prepping, I also grabbed a cup of just regular water that I can drop my chains in to get cleaned off once pulling each. Now the design I have in mind will be oriented the way I am facing it, so horizontally, and that's why I am doing it from this direction. Okay, let's just go and see if this larger, lighter chain is any usable at all. Oh yeah, wow, that works really well. I'm surprised because it was so light. Wow. That's cool. I like that. Okay, unintentional bit of something funny going on here, but I'm gonna leave it because I really, really like that. Okay, so yeah, what I'll do is I'll pop some music on, and actually, before I do, let's try something. I'm gonna get the metal chain, which is much smaller and lighter. Heavier, sorry. Exactly the other way from what I was on about. Oh, I have a hair. Let me just fix that. Right, and pull that one just for a slightly different effect. I think that's really nice. What do you think? Let me